Good morning, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 5 of the 21-day challenge. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and let's begin day 5. And today we're going to do a morning flow to help us wake up the body. So let's begin by surrendering on the mat. Toes touching, knees wide, and then just take a deep exhale out of your breath. Inhale into your body, exhaling, letting go. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Giving your body, your mind, that little bit of time to get connected with your breath. And this will bring you to the present moment. Let's just come up onto all fours. A beautiful morning ritual to help you wake up your body and your mind. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. Take your shoulder to your hip, creating a C shape. Change sides. And again. And again. And then extend one leg out. And then tuck it in. Extend out and tuck it in. Extend out and tuck it in. Next leg. Extend it out and tuck it in. Extend it out and tuck it in. Extend it out and tuck it in. We're going to add the arms. Extend one arm, one leg. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Extend. Holding it for 3, 2, 1. And this time we're going to hold it out, bend the back leg, grab hold of the foot if you can, and turn and look at your foot behind you. And breathe. And then gently release. Change sides. Bend the leg, grab the foot. And breathe. And let's melt the heart down. Melting the heart down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And then gently coming back up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Tuck in the toes, lift up those knees and walk it out. Left, right, left, right. First downward dog for the day. Bend the knees and let's just lift and lengthen that spine, creating space between each and every vertebra. And then slowly walking it out with those calves. Come up onto your toes and bring them back down. Coming up onto your toes and bring it down. Beautiful. Lean onto your hands, coming to a high plank. Bend the knees and back into the dog. High plank. Bend the knees back into the dog. High plank. Bend the knees back into the dog. And then let's lift up one leg. Bend the knee and let's circle that knee one way and then the other way. We're opening up that hip. And then step that foot forward. Bring both hands to the middle of the hand. Drop the back knee down and let's just circle those hips. Opening up those hips. Any tight spots you may be holding on to, we're just letting it go and stretching it out. Frame the foot. Extend the buttocks back to the back wall energetically. Bringing that buttocks back to the back wall. Bending the knee. And again. And bending the knee. And extending. Beautiful. Bend the knee and let's touch down with the left hand. Inhale, lift up the right. Lengthen your spine. Frame the foot, and let's come back into a downward facing dog. Beautiful. Let's lift up the other leg, bend the knee, circle, and change sides, circling, extending the leg, and then bringing it forward in front of you. Bring the hands in between the foot, drop the back knee down and circle. That's it. Beautiful. Circling one way, circling the other way. Bring the hands, bring the foot in between the hands. Let's extend that hamstring, drawing the buttocks energetically to the back wall, bending and extending, bending and extending. One more time, bending and extending. This time, bend the leg, touch down, right hand, inhale, lift up the right, left. Framing the foot, tucking the back toe under, coming into downward facing dog, walking it out, walking it out. Inhale, come into high plank, step the right foot forward, left foot forward, tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine, flat neck. Exhale, tuck the neck in, frame the foot, right leg back, left leg back. And you're in a downward facing dog, and then we're going to come back into a high plank, bend the knees, and then the dog. High plank, bend the knees, and then the dog. One more time, high plank, bend the knees, and coming down into the dog. Drop the knees down, come and melt your heart down. Bring your palms together, bend the elbows, bring the hands behind your head and lean slightly back. And then slowly come up into sitting. Sitting in a cross-legged position. Place your hands on your knees. Let's roll those shoulders back. And then roll those shoulders forward. Letting go of anything that you may be holding on to. Have your spine nice and long. Let's exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Back to the center, turn to the right. Tucking the chin in slightly. Change sides. And again. And then just take gentle little circles halfway. And then gentle little circles upwards. Come back to center. Take a nice clearing exhale for 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhale for 3, 2, 1, pause. Exhale. 3, 2, 1, pause. And as we sit in this pause in your life, think of 3 things that you are grateful for in 2021. As we begin this year, think of the positive things that are in your life. Inhale each one of those things into your body. Exhale gratitude out into the universe. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, and exhaling. And as you gently open your eyes, I thank you for your time and allowing me into your space. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to sharing with you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.